हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल नर्सिंग करियर। फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपके लिए HPSSP स्टाफ नर्स एग्जाम के नर्वस सिस्टम में जो कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं वो मैं आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ। आई होप आपके लिए ये फर्दर गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम्स हिमाचल के जितने भी आते हैं और फर्दर जो भी आते हैं उनके लिए हेल्पफुल हो, क्योंकि नर्वस सिस्टम का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट जो है चैप्टर है, इसमें से बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जो है आते हैं। सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद माई फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The nerve which take impulses away from the brain toward affected organ is known as, and its options are sensory nerve, motor nerve, mixed nerve, and last one is neurons, and its answer is motor nerves. Motor nerves क्या करती हैं? Impulses क्या करती हैं? Away from the brain. उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Motor nerves बोलते हैं. Question number second. A short cap in the myelin sheet around a nerve fiber is called, and its options are dendrite, axon terminal, node of Ranvier, and none of these. And its answer is a node of Ranvier. Question number third. The innermost layer covering the brain is, and its options are durometer, pyometer, mediastinum, and subdural. And its answer is a pyometer. Is the innermost layer of the brain. Question number fourth. Cerebrospinal fluid is found in, and its options are subarachnoid space, epidural space, subdural space, and last one is all. And its answer is a, जो CSF fluid है वो कहाँ पे होता है? हमारे subarachnoid spaces में क्या है? फ्लोट करता है. Question number fifth. The spinal cord originate from which part of the brain? And its options are cerebellum, medulla oblongata, pons, cerebrum. And its answer is a medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata is the lowest part of the brain stem. Question number sixth. In our body, the involuntary actions are controlled by, and its options are medulla in hindbrain, medulla in forebrain, medulla in spinal cord, and last one is medulla in midbrain. And its answer is a medulla in hindbrain. Question number seventh. Which nerve are attached to the brain and emerge from the skull? And its options are cranial nerve, spinal nerve, thoracic nerve, and a sacral nerve. And its answer is a cranial nerve. Question number 8. Which disease that affect the nervous system? And its options are epilepsy, arthritis, both A and B, and last one is a cancer. And its answer is a epilepsy. Question number 9. A gradual increased pain, weakness, and numbness in the hand or wrist that radiates up the arm suggest, and its options are myotrophic lateral sclerosis, carpal tunnel syndrome, and last is Bell's palsy, and last one is dystonia. And its answer is a carpal tunnel syndrome. जो कार्पल टनल सिंड्रोम है उसमें मेनली क्या है? नंबनेस और वीकनेस हो जाती है और टिंगलिंग सेंसेशन हो जाती है हमारे हैंड्स और आर्म्स में. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10th. Huntington disease is a heritable disorder that involve sudden paralysis, chorea, and loss of cognitive abilities and emotional disturbance. Option C is a repetitive actions, and last one is inability to recognize faces. And its answer is a हंटिंगटन डिजीज. क्या होती है? कोरिया होता है, उसमें लॉस ऑफ कॉग्निटिव एबिलिटीज होते हैं, इमोशनल डिस्टर्बेंस होती है. इसमें होता क्या है? मेनली जो हमारे नर्व सेल्स होते हैं ब्रेन के भी ब्रेक डाउन हो जाते हैं ओवर द टाइम, जैसे जैसे टाइम एज बढ़ती जाती है. और बोला ये मेनली स्टार्ट होते हैं विद इन द एज ऑफ 30s to 40s. और कोरिया क्या होता है? कोरिया होता है एबनॉर्मल इनवॉलेंट्री, जो हमारी बॉडी की मूवमेंट्स होती रहती है, उसको हम बोलते हैं कोरिया. Question number 11. A symptom of Parkinson disease include all of the following except. ये question important है. Parkinson disease में से बहुत सारे questions exam में आते हैं. And its options are tremor of hand, arm, legs, jaw, and face, stiff limbs, bradykinesia, and impaired balance. And last one is a impaired cognition. And its answer is a इम्पेयर्ड कॉग्निशन जो है वो पार्किंसन डिजीज का सिम्टम नहीं है। तो अगर आपको ये क्वेश्चन आता है एग्जाम में, उसके लिए आपको क्या है, इसके सिम्टम्स अच्छे से क्लियर होने चाहिए कि फर्स्ट सिम्टम क्या आता है और कौन कौन से सिम्टम होंगे। तो इसमें जो है हमारा इम्पेयर्ड कॉग्निशन नहीं आता है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, difficulty speaking and understanding speech is termed as apnea, ataxia, aphasia, and dyslexia. And its answer is aphasia. Question number 13. The fluid which act as a cushion for brain and the spinal cord is, and its options are bile, CSF, plasma, and peritoneal fluid. And its answer is a CSF, cerebrospinal fluid, जो है हमें किसकी तरह काम करता है, कुशन की तरह काम करता है, जो हमारे ब्रेन और स्पाइनल कोड को प्रोटेक्ट करके रखता है। Question number 14. The somatosensory area of cerebral cortex is found in frontal lobe, occipital lobe, parietal lobe, and last one is temporal lobe. And its answer is a parietal lobe. Question number 15. Which is the largest part of brain? And its options are cerebrum, medulla oblongata, pons, and all of the above. एंड इट्स आंसर इज अ सेरिब्रम, जो है हमारी बॉडी का है जो सबसे लार्जेस्ट पार्ट है हमारे ब्रेन का। क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. At what time of day should the nurse encourage a client with Parkinson's disease to schedule the most demanding physical activity to minimize the effect of hypokinesia? And its options are early in the morning when client energy level is high. Option B, to coincide with the peak action of drug therapy. Option C, immediately after a rest period. Option D, when family members will be available. Question and its answer is a to coincide with the peak action of the drug therapy. Question number 17. When the nurse performs oral hygiene for an unconscious client, which nursing interventions is the priority? And its options are keep a suction machine available. Option B, place the client in a prone position. Option C, wear sterile gloves while brushing the client's teeth. And option D, use gauze wrapped around the fingers to clean the client's gum. बोला जो अनकॉन्शियस क्लाइंट है, अगर आपको उसका ओरल हाइजीन करना है तो अपने पास क्या रखना है, सक्शन मशीन जो है हमेशा अवेलेबल रखनी है। Question number 18. During the first 24 hours after the thrombolytic treatment for an ischemic stroke, the primary goal is to control the client. अगर किसी को हम थ्रोम्बोलिटिक ट्रीटमेंट दे रहे हैं तो हमारा प्राइमरी गोल क्या है, हमें किस चीज पे कंट्रोल करना है, पल्स पे, रेस्पिरेशन पे, ब्लड प्रेशर पे कि टेम्परेचर पे? तो इसका हमारा आंसर आएगा हमारा ब्लड प्रेशर। Question number 19. A bundle of axons in the PNS is called a tract, nerve, nucleus, and ganglion. And its answer is a nerve. Question number 20. Which of the following is used to test the unconscious patient peripheral response to pain? And its options are sternal rub, nail bed pressure, pressure on the orbital rim, and option D, squeezing of the sternocleidomastoid muscle. And its answer is a nail bed pressure. Question number 21. Which of the following position is used for a lumbar puncture procedure? And its options are lateral with pillow under the hip, prone, semi-fowler, and last one is lateral with the legs pulled up and head bent down onto chest. And its answer is a option D. Question number 22. Which of the following is contraindicated for a client with the seizure precautions? And its options are encouraging him to perform his personal hygiene, allowing him to wear his own clothes, assessing his oral temperature with glass thermometer, and option D is encouraging him to be out of bed. And its answer is assessing his oral temperature with a glass thermometer. Question number 23rd. Which of the following controls muscular body movements? And its options are cerebellum, medulla oblongata, pons, and thalamus. And its answer is a cerebellum. Question number 24th. First symptom of Parkinson disease is postural instability, rigidity, tremor and bradykinesia. And its answer is a tremor जो है हमारा first symptom है हमारी Parkinson disease का. Question number 25th. Which of the following is not an manifestation of increased intracranial pressure? And its options are constriction of pupil, papilledema, Cushing trade and altered level of consciousness. और इसका आंसर है हमारा constriction of pupil जो है ये जो manifestation नहीं है ICP की. Question number 26. The position suited for unconscious patient is Fowler position, prone position, supine position, and semi-prone position. And its answer is a semi-prone position. Question number 27th. An inflammatory disease that involve degeneration of myelin sheet of peripheral nerve, and its options are Guillain-Barré syndrome, myasthenia gravis, Huntington disease and multiple sclerosis. तो इसका आंसर है हमारा Guillain-Barré syndrome. Question number 28. The halotraction is used to immobilize thoracic spine, cervical spine, lumbar spine, and a sacral spine. And its answer is the cervical spine. Question number 29. The pill rolling movement is a characteristic feature of, and its options are seizure, Alzheimer's disease, Parkinsonism, and stroke. And its answer is a Parkinsonism. जो पिल रोलिंग मूवमेंट है ये सिम्टम जो है हमें मेनली किस में देखने को मिलता है पार्किंसन डिजीज में. ये क्या है हमारा नर्वस सिस्टम डिसऑर्डर है जो इफेक्ट करता है हमारी मूवमेंट्स को. थैंक यू गाइस. आई होप आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी है. अगर अच्छी लगी है तो प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड कमेंट. थैंक यू.